morning, Divisha. So cute. Even I have my flag with me. Yes. Good morning, Shreshtali. Good morning, Deshna.
Say good morning, teacher.
Ishan. How is everyone? Looking so nice and beautiful and handsome in your white colored dresses. Yes, very nice. Oh, yes,
Okay.
that's your band, Tiranga band, Rachid. I can see it. I can see your Tiranga band. Very nice. Going to celebrate our Independence Day today, right? Today and tomorrow we are going to learn. We are going to see our friends. Ayank, hello. Good morning, Ayank. Good morning. Good morning, Rachit. Ayank, come on. Say hello to your friends. Everybody say hello, friends. Okay, okay. Yes, Divisha's parents, I received the message. Okay, I'll give you share screen. You can play the message.
Fan laga cheyali. It's okay.
Good morning, Shaurya. How are you? Good morning, Gian. Looking so handsome. Shaurya, come on, smile, beta. Smile, smile, Shaurya. All your friends are smiling and they're so happy. Good morning, Ahan. How are you? Yes, that's your Tiranga t-shirt. This is our Tiranga flag, right? Yes.
Is the link working now? I send you the link.
Yeah, I received it. I'll play.
Now it's okay, no?
Yes, yes. From YouTube, it's working. I can do that.
Sit down.
Namrita ma'am is joining us and then we'll put you on mute. Say good morning, Namrita ma'am, and then we'll put you on mute.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
Namrita ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, so let's go on mute now. Everybody is ready?
Yes.
All our Chota Nanna Munna Rahis, all are ready? So I'll put you on mute and we're going to say the prayer, right? Yes. So, who will show me the sign for thank you? Who will show me the sign for thank you? Yes, Jian. Yes, Shreshtali, Rachit. Come on. Good job. So, let's do this. Sing the prayer first, right? Every good thing has to start with a prayer. Thank you, God, for all that grows. Thank you, God, for all that grows. Thank you, God, for the sky's rainbows. Thank you, God, for the sky's rainbows. Thank you, God, for the stars that shine. Thank you, God, for the stars that shine. Thank you, God, for these friends of mine. Thank you, God, for these friends of mine. Thank you, God, for the moon and sun. Thank you, God, for the moon and sun. Thank you, God, for all you have done. Thank you, God, for all you have done. Thank you. Yes. Those who have the flag, can you show it to me? If you have the flag, then you can show it. Yes. What is this flag called? Flag is called the Tiranga. See, we have been learning about the colors of the flag, right? Orange, white, green with the blue Ashok Chakra, right? This is our Tiranga flag. Yes. Krishank has a Tiranga band And Ahan is wearing his Tiranga t-shirt. Yes. So
I love Krisham's hairstyle.
yes, it's all
It's so
spiky,
pretty.
spiky. So let's sing the flag song. I will repeat one line and I will sing one line. You have to repeat with Namrata ma'am, okay?
Yeah.
Wave, wave, wave the flag.
Wave, wave, wave the flag.
Hold it very high.
Hold it very high.
Watch the colors gently wave.
Watch the colors gently wave.
Wave up in the sky.
Wave up in the sky.
March, march, march around.
March, march, march around.
Hold the flag up high.
Hold the flag up high.
Wave, wave, wave the flag.
Wave, wave, wave the flag.
Wave up in the sky.
Wave up in the sky.
Yes, very good, everyone. And we are going to sing our song, It's a Small World, and then we will start with our performance for today. Right? Everybody is ready? All ready with your videos, and if you're giving a live performance, everybody is ready. So we'll play the song, It's a Small World, and then we will start. Just
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope and a world of fear. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world.
yes. Now we are hearing every time we are going to celebrate Independence Day, we are going to celebrate Independence Day. But what is Independence Day and why do we celebrate it? So should we just see a small picture presentation, very short and sweet, okay? And then you will know why we are celebrating Independence Day. Yes, just a minute. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. Okay, we celebrate it on 15th August, and this year it is coming on a Saturday. Many years ago, India was ruled by kings, and some of the famous kings are Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Tipu Sultan, Emperor Akbar, and they all ruled over their kingdoms. Many kings were there. I just took name of some of the kings, right? And we had people from far away land, from British, they are called the British people. They came to India. They wanted to be friends first. And then what did they do? They started ruling us. Oh, they became our king and queen. We had to listen to them. We had to give our money to them, and they were not very nice to us. So after a long, long struggle, many people they went to jail and they protested against the British rule, and we got independence from the British on 15th August 1947. These are some of the leaders that you can see. I'll take their names: Shahid Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. These are some of the leaders, but there were many, many, many people and many leaders who gave up a lot so that we could get freedom from the British. And finally, on 15th August 1947, we got our freedom. And we are living in a free India because of the efforts of our great leaders. So you have to always be thankful to them, and you have to enjoy your freedom and do good things for your country, right? That's why we are celebrating Independence Day. So now let's start with our performance for today. We have Advika first. Where is Advika? Yes. Advika, are we ready?
Now, ready?
Yes.
So you say good morning. What will you say? Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Today I
I
will
dance
on the song
on the song
Desh Rangila.
Desh Rangila.
Okay, we are ready to see your performance, Advika.
Get up, get up.
Come on, let's stand up and dance.
I want no, I want that.
You are dancing, no? Neeki vecham, okay? Okay, ready?
Yes, all set, Advika. Yes. We are unable to hear the song, ma'am.
Can you increase the volume?
Okay. Just a minute. We'll start again then.
Yes, yes.
I think still we are unable to hear the song again.
You're still unable to hear.
No, yes, it's coming and going, ma'am, actually.
We could just bring it near to the screen.
Yeah, it's absolutely near to the screen.
Okay. Which song is that?
This is from the Desh Rangila song.
Okay.
I'll just play it again. You tell me if you're able to hear, then she will start the dance.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we are able
Can you
to
hear?
Yeah. Is it on full volume?
Yeah, it's on full volume. Is it
Yeah.
okay now?
Yeah, you can start now.
Okay.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम में धरती बदले रंग यहाँ के बोली
That's it.
Okay, very good. Let's clap for Advika, everyone. Good job. Good job.
Sit down, sit down.
Very nice. Good job.
Sarah.
So let's clap for Advika one more time. Very nice, Advika. So now,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Now we are going to have Ahan's performance, but we have his video and he's singing the national anthem. So I would request everyone to please stand up when his video starts so that we can salute our national anthem as well.
Everyone stand up.
Everybody is standing up. So this is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. So everybody should stand up, okay? We'll just play. Everybody standing, Namrata ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're ready? Yes.
Yes, come on, everyone. Let us.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता बन जाओ सिर राता नीना जावे कल बंदा विंदो माँ चल यमुना गंगाओ चल जल्दी तिरंगा जब सुभाषी मांगे जब सुभाष मांगे गाए देशी गाता जनगण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है थैंक यू
Thank you, Ahan, for the wonderful rendition of Jana Gana Mana.
Very good, Ahan. Good job.
Good job, Ahan. You did very nicely. So now we have Ayank. Where is Ayank? Yes. Ayank? Ayank is going to perform now. It's Ayank's turn.
Come on, Ayan.
Come, Ayank. All your
What happened, Ayan?
He's
What
going
are
to
you do?
Come on. And let's play.
This video is getting stuck, I think.
Yes. What was it supposed to do?
Dance.
It's okay, we'll come back to him later. Okay, Mr.
Ayan, once again.
Come back.
Come on, Ayan, let's dance. Where are you? Please come back.
Your friends are waiting for you.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Just 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem.
Ayan, your friends are waiting. The ma'ams are also waiting. All your teachers are also waiting for your wonderful performance. Come on.
dance, play dance.
Very good, Ayam. Very good, Ayam. Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Ayam. Thank you. Very good. Good job, Ayam. So Ayam did dancing on Nanna Munna Rahi Hu, Desh Ka Sipahi Hu, Bolo Mere Sang, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Now Divisha's parent, you're going to share the video, right? I'll give you share screen. Just a minute.
Ma'am, before going to Divisha's video, shall we wish Sally ma'am a
Yes,
very
yes.
happy birthday?
Yes,
Yes.
we'll do that also. So you get your video ready. We are today is our director, Mrs. Saili Bhosle's birthday. If she's there, she's also Shrestali's mummy, and if she can come, we would like to
Yes.
sing happy birthday for her. Just a minute.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Yes, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you.
God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy
Say happy
birthday.
birthday,
Ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Shrestali.
Yes. You want to say yes? Happy birthday. Enjoy
Thank
the
you for
special day. Have fun.
Thank you so much. Are you all enjoying your Independence Day celebration? Yes. So tomorrow, few of them are going to have it, right?
Yes. Now we have only Divisha who's going to perform, and then we'll just do some
Oh,
dance.
yes. Thank you so much for wishing me. Once our school reopens, then we will have nice big party, okay?
Yes.
We'll have nice cake cutting and everything, all celebrations.
All celebrations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So Divisha's, just a minute. Yes, Divisha's parents, you can share the screen now. Divisha is going to perform, but on her video. Okay.
Pop, mum, pop, mum. Pam, mum, pam, 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 mum, pam, pam.
Shall we start?
Yes, yes, you may. Oh, yes, Divisha is done doing this. Okay, okay, but it was not very clear. Just a minute. Can we play it again?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
You can mute everyone and then I'll play it
Yeah,
again.
I'll mute you also. So because Divisha's voice is coming, so I'll just mute everybody's. Yes. You can play again. Yes.
There is no voice in the video.
Ma'am, you have to unmute them. Then only we'll able to hear.
Then only I'll be able to hear. Okay.
Yes.
But okay, I've unmuted you. Then only I think we'll be able to hear what you are playing. Right. We'll do that one more time. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I'll play it again.
हम भी तेरा जाएंगे पे गोली खाएंगे देश की शान पे आएंगे देश की छत पे आएंगे जय हिंद थैंक यू
Very good, Divisha.
Very good, Divisha. Jai Hind. Thank you. Yes, very nice. Okay, so you can stop the screen share.
Yeah, we'll stop the share.
Okay. Actually, Deshna. Yes, Deshna wanted to sing, so fine. But it would be very nice, parents, if you give us advance notice, because that is how we schedule the program. Okay, Deshna?
Yeah, I thought. Yeah.
Let's sing. Come on.
Sing. Jana. Sing. Jana Gana. Sing to it.
Okay, we'll all sing together before she wants to sing the national anthem, right? Before ending, we will all sing together. Okay? We'll all sing together. Yeah. Okay? So I'll mute you now. Right? And yes, sir. So we had 4 performances today. We had Ayank who danced on Nanna Munna Rahi Hu. Then Advika, the Mera Desh Rangila, and then what you have? Divisha. Divisha also did it on did a poem Jai Hind, and we also have this Ahan. Yes, he sang the national anthem. So Adyank's mummy, you wanted him to dance? Do you want him to dance? Okay. We have some time, so we can dance and then.
Ma'am, can you hear? We have recorded a video for him and sent to Nidhi ma'am because we don't know where to send.
You had sent a video. Okay, so we had not
Yeah,
received
Nidhi
it,
ma'am.
but then it's fine. We can play it tomorrow. That is also fine.
Okay, sure,
Okay,
sure.
we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay.
No problem. We'll play.
Yeah,
the
he can sing. He can sing a song. He can sing national anthem.
Yeah, national anthem we'll be singing at the end. We'll be singing at the end before we finish off the program, and we'll sing the national anthem together, right? And tomorrow also we have performance by Rachit, Jian, and Shrestali. Yes, we will be doing the performances tomorrow also. And today we celebrated our first part of our National Independence Day, right? And what is our flag called? Who will tell me what is our flag called? Advika, you want to say what is our flag called?
Tiranga.
Tiranga, yes. We are celebrating Independence Day on... Ronak, we are celebrating Independence Day on which day?
Yes, Rona?
15th August. Okay, you have to be a little loud, right? So that we can hear you. Can you say loudly?
When he kills Ravana.
Little loudly, Rona. Yes?
Okay, okay. I think we're not able to hear some audio issues. Krishank, can you tell me how many colors are there on your band? How many colors?
How many colors? Say. How many colors?
Baby, so you have orange,
Orange.
and lamp.
White.
White.
Green.
Green.
Three colors.
Yes, three colors. These are the colors of our national flag also. Yes. Jian, you want to say the colors of our national flag?
Okay, okay. Tell the colors of the flag.
Orange,
Hmm.
white,
Hmm.
and green.
Very good.
Yes.
And
Navy blue.
Ashok Chakra.
Ashok Chakra, yes. So what we'll do, we'll dance on Chodo Kal Ki Baatein, right? We have been dancing, so we'll dance on that. Just a minute.
Yes, come on, everyone, stand up.
Stand up.
मुझे उनको देना मुझे छक्कर नहीं होना है
क्या नहीं होना?
अब मैं छन नहीं है
क्यों नहीं है?
Okay.
हमें बोल कल है
We are going to dance on Chodo Kal Ki Baatein. Everybody stand up. Come on.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं, क्या देखे उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं। चांद की दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना, नए जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं। नया है नई उमंगे, अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे कितने दरियों का, कितने पर्वत राहों से है आज हटाने। नया खून है, नई उमंगे, अब है नई जवानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी। हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
Yes, very nice. Just pause it. Okay. Divisha's parents, if you could mail this video to Nidhi ma'am. Yes. Please mail it to Nidhi ma'am. Yes. Yeah. That
Okay, so shall we sing a national anthem now with
Yes.
Deshna and Adyant? Yes?
Everybody
Ma'am,
stand up. We'll sing before.
Can we unmute Deshna and Adyant?
Yes, yes, I'll do that. Where is
Come on,
Deshna?
let's stand up and let's sing a national anthem, okay? Yes, we'll give Deshna and Adyant a chance. Come on. Where is Deshna? Please come back.
Adyan,
let's
can you unmute yourself? And everybody
Yes.
stand up, okay? Because we are singing the national anthem.
Okay. Come on, let's sing.
Let's stand up. Come on, Advika. Let's stand up.
Yes.
And when Namrata ma'am says start, that time we'll start the national anthem.
Yes. Come on, start now. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Uttar Bengal Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Okay, it's time for us to end our session for today. Okay, and the remaining performances will be done tomorrow. So let us sing our bye-bye song.
Bye-bye song.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we all will see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow also the celebrations continue. We're going to have fun tomorrow as well. Right? Yes. Bye everyone. See you. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.